Tanin Auto Electronics. Today we are talking about our Lexus SC300 and SC400 negative LCDs. So these come in blue as pictured, and then we also have black. So the LCD itself is colored blue or black, and the digits are then white, as opposed to the traditional LCD, which is green, a greenish tinge, and the black digits. So we've had these for a couple of years now, and we get some questions about how we do our lighting, because obviously if you use bulbs, it's not going to look as good, because typically these negative LCDs are used in newer vehicles that have LED lighting. So let's mess with some of these a little bit. Oops. So you'll see the indicators here, orange, green. These are stock OEM colors. We can change these to whatever you like. We have the options on the website. The buttons also are typically green from the factory. These we made blue. You can also request any other colors on these as well on the website. And then if you are going to get the blue or black LCD, we typically use white LED behind the LCD. That gives you the best color and the best picture. So if you're doing this on your own, it's a little bit harder because you, like I said, you can't use the bulbs typically that come with it that are plug and play. Behind the screen itself, there's many different ways of doing it. We typically use like a strip LED behind there. Sometimes we'll do SMD, or we'll modify like a T5 wedge LED, or use 50/50 size LEDs or something that can get your light disbursement equal across the LCD, because you don't want hot spots in there, because there are only 3 bulbs from the factory. So LED is great, but if you only install 3 LEDs, you're going to have 3 bright spots. You're going to have a spot on the left, a spot on the right, and then a spot on the center that's going to be brighter than everything else on there. So your best bet is to find like a wide angle LED setup, or like I said, the strip LED with 10 to 15 to 20 LEDs on there, so you get a good wide illumination. There's a white plastic diffuser, for lack of a better term, that you probably have to modify. We usually cut the diffuser up so it can better spread the light out. So hopefully that helps on what LED specifically to use for the screen to make it look like our website, our pictures, this video. Same thing with the buttons. There's very limited space in there, and from the factory there's only I think 6 bulbs, and then again Lexus kind of diffuses the light so it gets to each of those icons. Now the same situation exists with putting LEDs in there, because you have to get the LEDs to kind of point in 3 different directions so you get equal light disbursement on each of those buttons. So the same thing, you just got to find something that fits in there or make something custom. Those again, like a T5 LED would work okay as long as there's good light output, angle output, and it's not just a single LED on top or something that's kind of pointing it in one direction, because then you're going to have one of the 2 buttons or icons in each button, like the front and rear. Only one of those is going to be lit up, the recirculate, or the fresh air, only one of those is going to be lit up. So same thing, you just got to make a plan and then figure out how you're going to do it, and then solder what you're gonna do, whether it's just loose LEDs or resistor and LED, or like a cube LED that we sell, or a T5 wedge LED that we also sell. Our Lexus backlighting kit Has T5 LEDs that work pretty well in here. So hopefully that answers some questions. The installation is the same as the regular LCD. You just desolder the old one and then solder in the new one. And again, it's the lighting that's going to make the difference on this. You're looking for good LEDs, good quality, and good angle, good light disbursement angle, and you should have it looking like the photo, or this video too. So thanks for watching. If you have any comments, leave them below, and we will answer them. Thanks.